have two lines here. Well, I have four sets of points. The first 2 points represent a line. The second 2 points represent a line. What I'm curious about is I'm curious if both of these lines that those points represent have the same slope. Are these two lines parallel? If I were to graph them, are they parallel? And basically what parallel means is that I have two non-vertical lines, which means they're not up and down, they're off to the side somehow, and that they never intersect. And basically, if you have two parallel lines that never intersect, what can you say about their steepness from one to the other? Well, they're the same. They have the same slope. So given that, can I determine if these two lines, represented by two sets of points, are parallel? Do they have the same slope? Well, let's figure that out. Let's determine the slope. Slope on the first one, y2 minus y1. So 2 minus 4 over 3 minus 1. That equals negative 2 over a 2 equals a negative 1. So the slope of the first line has a slope of negative 1. I can put slope of A. And let's look at the slope of the second equation. My little subscript B just means I'm looking at the second set of lines. And that equals 6 minus 8, y2 minus y1, times my x divided by my x2 over x1, which is 4 minus 2. I also get a negative 2 over 2, or a negative 1. And so both lines, as determined by each set of points, produces a slope of negative 1. And if they both have the same slope, they're parallel. They have the same steepness. They're not the exact same line, but they are parallel lines.